Hello, my name is Enzo. I will talk about astronauts. In a space shuttle, astronauts journey into space. Most space trips take approximately 10 days. In space, astronauts carry out tasks, eat, and rest. Since everything floats, eating in space might be challenging. Astronauts snooze in sleeping bags. The sleeping bags are in little cubbies. They sleep in little cubbies to prevent losing their pillows or floating into something. Astronauts have to work hard. They study and do research on things they find in space. Their work helps people learn about space. Thank you for listening.